wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best gun cleaning kits. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. As long as you don't plan on doing maintenance in the field, the otis 70084 is a fine choice. It comes in an attractive aged oak box that even has a stand to set your rifle on during the cleaning process or for display purposes. It's got room for bottles to stand upright and includes a wide variety of accessories. However, there's no way to secure the bottom drawer. At number 9, affordability and versatility meet with the ohuhu 28-piece. It's an all-in-one option that can help you keep your guns in top-notch shape, and everything comes in a durable briefcase that's easy to carry to the range or out in the field. It's effective against stuck-on carbon, and the components are number-coded, but the pieces are difficult to thread together. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the real Avid Gun Boss supports weapons in the 17 to 45 caliber range. It comes with an array of short-action accessories for accommodating smaller ejection ports, and the entire set is packed in a case that fits into your palm for simple portability and storage. The bag is weather-resistant and it's ideal for field cleaning. However, the included cable is not suitable for push cleaning. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for gun cleaning kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, as the name implies, the gloryfire universal can be used on nearly any model and size of gun. In addition to having dedicated slots for all the pieces, the case has 2 extra storage areas that you can use to put oil, solvent, or random gear. It includes 50 patches and everything is laid out nicely, but the rods are on the thin side. Moving up our list to number 6. The Allen Company 70540 includes 65 pieces in this lunchbox-style container that has dual latches and separate holding compartments. Each storage area bears the name of the tool it carries, so it's easy to keep things neat and organized. It locks for security and the case has lots of extra room. The brushes are marked for specific uses. Halfway up our list at number 5, the Otis Tactical contains obstruction removal tools for fixing jammed gun cases and other barrel blockages. It also comes with cotton polishing patches and 6 firearm-specific bronze bore brushes to help prevent accidentally damaging a weapon when servicing it. It includes a chamber flag and is small enough to carry in the field. It's perfect for hunters. At number 4, the Remington hunting kit comes in a soft-sided case, which makes it easy to transport. It includes a squeegee that removes most dislodged barrel debris in just one pass, and high-performance all-in bore cleaner, which is great for all types of fouling. It also contains a machine-washable pad and a threaded revolver adapter. It's good for 22 caliber to 12 gauge guns. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. It works effectively as both a decoration and a conversation starter, but don't let the bullet-shaped case of the Wild Shot Deluxe fool you. This is a high-quality kit. The 3-tiered rack is a convenient way to keep your supplies in one place when not in use. It boasts a very small footprint, a durable aluminum canister, and 10 brass wire brushes. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for gun cleaning kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, there aren't many simpler or more effective solutions than this option from Sage and Breaker Mercantile. It includes a heavily bristled brass brush and a thick detachable rope, making it a cinch to clean your barrel in the middle of a hunt. It takes as little as 15 seconds to use and has a stamped gauge identifier on the brush. It's ideal for novices. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the Otis Elite cleans a variety of rifles, pistols, and inline muzzle loaders. Its 23 bronze bore brushes quickly remove copper deposits and other hard-to-reach fouling from almost any barrel type, and it comes with a firearm maintenance guide too. It's versatile yet compact with a nylon-coated memory flex rod. It also includes optics cleaning gear. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for gun cleaning kits, or simply click beneath this video.